Okay, hi guys, just a real quick kind of video this morning, but I just thought I'd show you how I remember and get myself into and have got myself into a routine, I suppose, for using my supplements, and B, my essential oils, to create a kind of protocol, if you like, that I do every single day to keep me healthy and well. Okay, so the first thing that I do in the mornings is the three basics that I do. Okay, now I'm going to turn my camera around because this is very technical, but that's what I'm going to do. Here I go. So the first three things, besides the eggs, are the balance. All right, so balance on my feet, a couple of drops of copaiba under my tongue each morning, and believe it or not, a couple of drops of frankincense on the top of my head, which I massage in. Now that part of it, I've always used frankincense regularly, but these days, I just before Christmas, I saw some other leaders talking about using a couple of drops on the top of my head, and it just seemed to, for me, be a good way to regularly do it, so to incorporate it in my routine. So those are the three things that I do each morning to set myself up. And the other thing that's really important to me, and what I've been focusing on this week in our group, is the Lifelong Vitality Pack. And so I just thought I'd show you quickly the best thing ever. Sandra, you'll like this. This is what I was just posting about a moment ago. Are these things you get from the $2 shop or something like that, and you can stack your supplements in there and have it close by. That's the biggest tip that I think, is to have them close by so you remember to take them, because we all live busy lives, whether we've got children, whether we've got family members that we care for, or anything like that, or whether you're at work. We're rushing around all the time. Try not to, but we do. And so, if you don't have little prompts in your life that's going to help you to remember the important things, then you're not going to, okay? So my tip for you would be to have them close by. But these oils sit beside my bed. These things are in my kitchen, and round here you will see the oils that I use day to day, in my diffuser, close by, so I remember to use them. Otherwise, oftentimes we don't. So I guess that's my biggest tip for you, is to have them close by, and so that you're prompted to use them. Okay, that's all from me today. There's all my washing in the background, so don't look at that. And I will finish this now, and hope you're having a fabulous Friday and have a good weekend. Okay, bye now.